This is how to glue your mirror back on after it falls off your windshield. This is the mirror, and we're not using the typical glue for rear view mirror adhesive. We're using a better product. We're using Gorilla epoxy clear. Sets in 5 minutes. You get quite a volume here. How many ounces is that? It's almost a fluid ounce. Anyway, we just need a couple drops of that, and then we set it on the windshield on the inside. We scrape the old glue off with a razor, and then on the outside, before we scrape the glue, we put a piece of tape indicating where the actual location of the rear view mirror should be, where the original setting is. So we put a piece of tape there, and then on the inside we scrape off the glue, so we know when we glue the metal tab back on, we have it right in the correct location. So anyway, here's some basic steps. So we'll take you on the inside now. Anyway, this is our vintage 68 Ford pickup with a lumber rack. Now this truck is available if you're interested. It's a flare side, so it is a collectible, and it has the worn bumper, steel bumper in the front, Warren Winch Industries. It's got 8-ply tires, or 10-ply, and 16-inch, and not split rims. These are later models. Anyway, 68 Ford flare side is available. I'll show you how it looks on the inside. Okay, so what we did here was we glued on the metal tab. Make sure you put the right side up, the correct side anyway. Anyway, we'll take that off now. It's already dried, so let's see if we can get that off of there. One piece, and there we go. And there's the metal tab, and the mirror just slides on there. So that's the view from the inside, and then we'll put the mirror on. Anyway, this is how to replace your rear view mirror that fell off. Glue usually dries after a while, and anyway, that's all for right now.